So I finally got my bandsaw back from the repair shop, or the electrician, and the good news was I was correct in my assumption and everyone else was correct in their assumptions. It was just the starter capacitor. Yay! Not very expensive to get fixed. I'm happy now. And as you can see, I've now got it stored in its new home. Used to live over there where the sander is. Now I've got the bandsaw in its new spot. I'm looking at it going, not sure whether I'm going to keep it there or not, whether it's going to stay there or not, I don't know. But the good thing is I can just roll it to wherever I need to make a cut if it's a longer cut, and I can just push it back out of the way. And I can do the same with the router table, which is a bit of a mess there, which I haven't sorted. I'm working on it. Temporarily, as you can see, I've got my thickness planer down there on the underneath the sander over there. What I'm going to do to store it, it will be stored on a shelf that I make. Yeah, we'll get rid of that. You didn't hear that. I'll be stored on a shelf that I make for the router table, and she'll be just stored up and under there. And again, I can pull it out. I'm just hoping there's still going to be enough room. The shelf will be down here. Using it is going to be a little bit more awkward, but I don't use it a great amount of times. But when I do use it, I'm glad that I've got it. Temporary. Temporary long term. Those that have actually watched a few of my shop tours, which I'm thinking of doing another one once I get everything sorted, have kind of worked out that I'm very limited on where I can put things. A table saw up there is one I can't move anywhere else. It just doesn't fit anywhere, and it gives me the best options for cutting. It's the widest between the two house piles here, and I can still cut fairly large bits and pieces. I can't cut a full sheet, but I can cut, half a sheet, or even maybe a 3/4 sheet. But there's nowhere else down here that I can put it because of the house piles. The other tool I've got nowhere else to really put is the miter saw. Even though that I've got one that I can put up against a wall, I've only got two walls, three walls basically. As you can see, the rest of the basement's fully open. They're the two tools that I can't really move anywhere else, and they're the two major workhorses. Close third is actually the bandsaw, and I'm hoping fourth being the router. Another tool that I've got is my jointer, 8-inch jointer, and it actually has a thicknesser as well. It's one of those multi things, but I've just left it in jointer mode. That's just temporarily stored underneath the miter saw. That's possibly going to be part of the system when I eventually put the French cleat on that. I'll be beefing this side up of the bench, and it'll be part of the French cleat, so that I can just swap out whatever tool that I want, whether it's the bench extension, sander, the jointer. I'm possibly going to do the same thing to this sander as well. Just hang it on the French cleat, put another lower cleat down there so that the sander can actually sit on it. I don't know yet. I haven't really thought about this. I'm making this up as I go along for this video. What else is there? There is, I've got, for those that are wanting stickers, I've got a new batch of stickers. If you're wanting a sticker, so let me know. Make contact. Send me your address. And I'll try and get one sent out. I usually send them out in batches. When I've got like 20 or 30 of them, I'll send them out all in one hit. Just makes it easier. Expect delays due to the fact of, hey, the world's upside down at the moment. So therefore, does that mean I'm no longer down under? Okay, what else is there? There's that. For the router, that is actually something new. My Bosch router, I'm not going to be using that one in the table anymore. I've actually upgraded to the Triton router. I didn't do a video on that, and I probably won't do a video on it. I'll just install it and get it going. So hopefully we'll get that sorted soon. I do all these tidy ups and I've still got a mess. Lesson number 1, put tools away once you've finished using them. See? Looks so much tidier putting that one tool away. Yeah, I know, you couldn't see a difference. What else have I got? My wood storage has not changed. I really must sort that out because I've got all that up there and behind the table saw. I've got all that over there. I've got more here in front of this bench that is just turned up out of nowhere. I've got all that. I've got all that under there. That's all wood. Well, actually no, that's a lie. That's not all wood. There is actually I've got more cabinets there. I've got 4 or 5 cabinets like this one up here. I got them for like $25 each. I don't know what to do with them now. But that's not all the wood either. That's all the wood that's in the basement. If I go outside, this is where I keep sheets, but it needs a major sort out due to the fact of the house renovations. I can fit a full sheet of ply, and on the water tank, if you actually look above it, there's more wood there. I have got plans of making a kind of tidier storage system in here so that I can easily access the ply when I put it in there, but at the moment we've still got scaffolding up, so as you can see. I do have plans of putting another outdoor workbench here, however I'm not sure how I'm going to do that exactly. That's purely due to the fact that I've just finished renovating over here, so I've got to sort all that out and actually go through a lot of it and say, you know, rubbish, burn, I'll never use it. It was mainly about the bandsaw. I'm not sure whether I'm going to keep this layout or not. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I can see some benefits just being on wheels, and I can move the router table out as well, just because that's also on wheels. Yeah, I just thought it would be a quick update. I got the bandsaw back, she's all go, and didn't actually cost that much. It was exactly what I initially thought. The main reason it took so long was waiting on a part, and with today's world, getting the parts in from wherever, most likely China, which I really wish it didn't have to come from there, but oh well. Thanks for watching, Kia car, stay strong, we'll catch you next time. Yeah, must turn off. Hello. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.